What's going on, guys? Today we're going to begin maintenance on the Forester XT, and in this video we're going to be doing an engine flush and we're going to be changing out the rear diff fluid. So let's get started. So before we jack up the car, we're going to go ahead and add the engine flush. The engine flush we're using today is from Liquid Moly. It calls for a minimum of 3 quarts and it works with around 5.5 quarts, so that'll be perfect for the Forester XT. We'll go ahead and take this cap off. Get our funnel. Seal. Go ahead and add it in. Okay, so now we're going to let the car run for 10 minutes. And we just hit 10 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and turn it off. Meanwhile, the engine oil drains out. We're gonna go ahead and drain the rear diff. I'm gonna start with the fill hole because I don't want to drain it if I can't fill it back up. Now to fill it up, we're going to go ahead and use a fluid pump just to make life easier. Now we're going to go in the fill hole and we're going to fill it up until it starts to overflow. Well, with that being said, we're all done for today. I'll see you guys on the next video where we'll continue maintaining my new Forester XT.